Okay, so now we're going to look at screen share. Uh, if you choose Present by Phone with Screen Share event, you'll see in the bottom of Presentation Manager down here that the Screen Share button is enabled. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. There we go. And it brings up a little window here named Screen Share. It tells you which presenters are poised to do screen sharing. And if somebody is sharing, this button here will turn green. So you'll know that they're already sharing and you don't want to, interrupt them by taking over and launching another screen share. So to launch it, you click on Launch Screen Share. And what happens is this red box shows up. And this is not screen sharing yet. This is going to show you what is going to be shared to the audience. So anything in this box will be shared to the audience. So you can resize it and move it. So if you need to move it, just click on the outline. So I'll put it up to the very corner. And then if you want to resize it, click on any of the squares. So I'm going to make this a little bit larger. There we go. So this would be what I'm going to share. And it tells you here, it's calculating the actual size of it. And then when you want to share, you just click on the play button right here at the bottom. Actually, it needs to finish calculating the size here, and then you can press play. And then it turns into a green outline, so that lets you know that you're now sharing. So you wouldn't want to share your presentation manager. So I'm going to go ahead and stop, and it turns back to the red. So what you would normally do would be to size it to the size that you want, and then you pull up your content that you want to share, and this is the On24 website, and then press play, and then you'll be sharing. So the audience will be able to see everything that you're doing. Your mouse for the audience will be a red arrow as opposed to a white arrow, or for links it turns into a little hand with a finger up, kind of like this guy. So the red arrow is just so that it shows up really clearly for the audience. Down here in this area, beside the sizing indicator of the screen share area, down here is where you would receive any chats that are sent to you using TeamChat. So because we don't have Presentation Manager up, because we're sharing this, we would not see any chat. So if somebody's trying to chat to us, it will show down here. We want to make sure to, I'm going to go ahead and stop. We want to make sure that we're sharing on our primary monitor. If not, then this area actually is shown to the audience, so we don't want to do that. We want to share our primary monitor. And then also, you want to be cognizant of the size of your own monitor in relation to the size of your audience's monitor. So if you have a huge monitor, you're going to be sharing a huge space, and not everybody has a monitor that size. So you want to make sure that you're sharing something that everybody can see, small laptops. So this number should probably not get any larger than probably 1200 for this number, and then the number over here would be probably around 800. Most people would have 1024 by 768, so we could even pare it down to make sure that we're within those. There we go. So this would show up properly on pretty much any screen. Great. So now we'll take any questions you've got on screen share.